Today, we're going to check how we can use Ahrefs to check our competitors, help us track our competitors automatically, and how you can take better marketing decisions with competitive intelligence data. I'm going to work with Erin, who's going to show you the platform as well. I just had something to mention before. If you're here specifically because you want to know what your competitors are up to, I have something for you. Ahrefs good, there's better when it comes to specifically competitors tracking. I love Ahrefs. I'm using them every single day, specifically when it comes to search ads, search data, SEO stuff. That's the thing you're looking for. You can skip for the next minute and just go meet Erin right after. If you're here to really understand what your competitors are up to, not just search ads, not just SEO, but really get a grasp of their recent marketing strategy, their emails, their ads, their search ads, the landing pages that they're using, the changes that they're making on their website, the softwares that they might be using. If that's the kind of thing that you're looking for, I have something for you. Panoramata, the best way to track your competitors. It's the best way to actually monitor your competitors on autopilot, gather all this competitive intelligence data on emails, SMS, flows, landing pages, SEO as well, ads, and ads on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Google Display as well. You can have all this within Panoramata, and it's super easy to use. This is my dashboard on Panoramata, for instance, and here I'm following 10 brands. I have summaries on what they've been doing recently, the main launches, promotions, the most recent marketing campaigns. I have an overview on my competitors, who sent the most email, who published the most ads, which kind of email, which kind of ads, which kind of topic did they address recently in their marketing strategy as well. Within a few scrolls, I can already know exactly what my competitors are up to, what are the recent trends in my market as well. And if you're specifically interested in the emails, you can click here. You're going to get all the recent emails your competitors have been sending. Same thing for the ads, the SMS, or the new landing pages as well. The cool thing, it doesn't stop there. You'll find ways to help you find the best inspiration, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel, and you can use your competitors' previous campaigns to help you create even better winning campaigns in the future. You can also, of course, the whole data for every single company you'd like to track. You can get access to their content calendar, their emails, their flows, their ads, their landing pages as well. And it's super easy to use. Customer service is top notch. I'm part of the team as well, so I know what I'm talking about, but really the team is really here for you. It's not just another software. It's a resource. It's a software that you can use as a real component of your team to help you, one, gather insights and data about your competitors, and two, as a resource to help you figure out what you should do in your market to actually beat your competitors. Super easy to use. Here you can see on its webpage how it was 2 years ago. You can change, and here it's a few weeks ago. You can change it for, 11 months ago, for instance, to see what the website was looking like at that point. Again, you can click here. You're going to get all the recent emails on it has been sending as well. You can access the specific emails too. Same thing for the ads. If that's something that you want to have a look at and you want to understand which ads they've been publishing as well. Again, on all these networks, you can get those here. The flows, we've seen landing pages, the same with the content calendar too. And there are some amazing features to really here help you make sure that you can track your competitors the correct way, gather all the possible data on them, and at the same time, help you figuring out what you should do to go beat them. Go on panoramata.co, join here, book a demo with me. I'm here to help. Don't hesitate. That being said, if you're here for the Ahrefs review, love them as well. When it comes to SEO and search ads, they're the best. I'm using them as well. So trust me when I say this. I'm going to let Erin speak about Ahrefs right now. If you're looking for much more, you're welcome on panoramata.co as well.
Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Ahrefs to identify and track your competitors in 2025. This is about getting solid data on who is really competing with you in search results, not just who you think your competitors are. So let's dive in. And I will type my competitor, or I will put on my company website. Let's say I'm trying to find competitors for road skin. Once it loads, you can scroll down until to see the top organic competitors section. So these are the websites that are actually sharing similar keywords with yours. Meaning, let's say these are, here we can see that we have 5 companies. Well, these are the top 5, but then there are top 20 competitors who are sharing common keywords. And here you can see also the keyword lab. This shows how many keywords you share with each competitor. The higher the percentage, the more directly they compete in search. So now that we have seen the top competitors, let's see where their traffic is coming from. Let's go with Milk Cosmetics. Well, I don't want to see their website, but I want to go deeper and understand their site overview. So this is Milk Cosmetics data overview. In the overview section, we can see organic search keywords and the traffic as well. Let's click on the top pages. So these are the top pages that are ranking very well for our competitors. Go further and check for their backlinks by clicking on the referring domains. This shows which websites are linking to your competitors. Potential link building opportunities for you. This shows which website potentially talk about your competitors and to see how you can link their products or their websites to yours. Let's not forget also to look at the paid search. Here we can see the paid keywords, meaning they pay for these keywords to rank in Google Ads. And lastly, the most valuable part in this competitive analysis is when you click on the competitive analysis, then you paste your URL and then you choose the URLs of your competitors, and you can see the content gap between you and the competitors. Here you need to focus on keywords with high search volume and relatively low keyword difficulty scores. These are your best opportunities to catch up quickly on the alert. Lastly, to get the most value from Ahrefs competitor analysis features, we're going to take a look at the alerts. So what does this mean? By putting alerts on several websites, several competitors, by mail you can get alerted, you can get notified whenever there is a new potential content type that you can actually use to rank better and to outperform your competitors. For that, you are going to create a new alert. Let's say Rod Cosmetics, scope all backlinks. And we can actually check on the new backlinks because our goal is new potential type of content that we can rank for. And so you click add and you're all set. So whenever there will be a new keyword ranking changes or new content from your competitors, this tool will keep you informed without having to manually check it. So, and there you have it. A complete system for tracking your competitors with Ahrefs. Remember, the goal isn't you just copying their strategy or what they are doing or the keywords that they are using, but to identify opportunities they have missed. Thanks for watching and luck on outranking your competitors.
All right, great. Thanks, Erin. Hope that was helpful both for the Panoramata.co part and Ahrefs part as well. As you can see, love Ahrefs. A lot of things are actually similar in the way that you can track your competitors on both platforms. When it comes to SEO search ads, Ahrefs your friend. When it comes to marketing, email marketing, performance marketing data, and creative marketing, Panoramata.co is also your friend. You just made 2 friends in a single day. That's wonderful. Here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out in the comments on Panoramata.co as well. If there's anything you need, I'll be here. That being said, have an amazing day. And wherever you are in the world, take care. Bye-bye.